Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make vector image in Canva and convert to EPS Easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to get started, we need to have a photo first onto Canva. So as you can see, we're currently on Canva already. So if you haven't onto your end, just search canva.com, choose in a template, and then add in your photo. So you could add in any photo that you want or any design. And once you're already done with it, it's time to export this. So you need to go ahead and click on the share here onto the upper right corner of the screen. And then right after, you should be able to find an option to download this. Click onto that, and then you could also choose the file type for this. So let's choose SVJ for this since this is best for web design and animation. Click onto that one, and then click onto download. So you'll just need to wait for this one to be downloaded. And then right after, once you have the SVJ format for that, head here onto the image converter to go ahead and add in the file. So just go ahead and search convert.io onto your local browser right after you have downloaded the file in Canva. So you could simply drag and drop the SVG file that you just recently downloaded to go ahead and convert that one. So we'll wait for this one first. And once it is added, if you click onto this one, you should be able to see under in here the EPS. So we'll just need to find in the EPS in here. So you could find that one under vector. Just simply click onto that, click onto EPS, and then click onto convert. So this will go ahead and convert your image, and it will give you an option to download this. And as you can see, we have successfully converted our SVG file to EPS. And that is just basically it, how you make a vector image in Canva and convert to EPS. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.